Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Um, this is episode 2 of the topic range. And just like I said in my other video, the episode 1, I told you all that I want each and every one of you to understand that price moves in ranges and trends. Any candle you see is a range. And I think I defined the range in episode 1, but let me repeat it here. A range in the charts is the generation of interest on both the buy side and the sell side, which means, in this case, breakout traders are looking to buy the breakouts, while breakdown traders are looking to uh, sell the breakdowns. Now, this is Euro USD. I I made mention of this pair in my other video. So let me mark out the CRT high and CRT low of this specific candle. Because in this candle, everything you're seeing here is a range. So the market was, when you find yourself in this situation, you wait for the low of this particular candle or the high to be taken. So in this case, we have this daily candle high was um, swept by this particular candle after all this nonsense here. Let me mark out the low. CRT. So whenever you're in a situation like this, you have to avoid trading, except maybe you're a scalper. Then you can drop down to 4-hour time frames to look for um, maybe short sells or buys. But in order to be in a safe side, you need to avoid the market. Okay, so like I said in the other video, the rule of range trading says you should buy the low and sell the high. Now, in this situation, if after this whole nonsense that happened here, and one of these candles took out the low of this particular candle, then we should be aiming for the buy side of this candle. But then this happened. And when this happens, all you should be looking for is a sell. You should be looking for the 4-hour time frame um, bearish CRTs. Now, another thing, you can see a bullish CRT in this journey on the 4-hour time frame, and you trade it and you make a lot and you make money from it. But it's not advisable. I won't advise you to do such thing. I would advise you to look for bearish CRTs and trade it on the 4-hour time frame. Or you can just drop down to the 1 hour time frame and look for your entry. 2 positions, 3 positions, 1 position, and then wait for this whole thing to happen. It's easy. You don't need to start looking for 4-hour CRTs to sell or anything. But if you can, it's okay. Again, if you're in a bearish situation like this, don't buy any 4 hour CRT. Don't trade any 4 hour CRT that is bullish, to be on the safe side. I've done it before. I lost money, I made money, and that's why I say to be on the safe side, don't trade it. Watch it happen and look for bearish total soup or bearish 4 hour CRT to trade. So dropping down to our 1 hour time frame, you will see that everything that have been happening is just consolidation. So if you're the type that probably other block as the ICT trader or SMC, you see this. I don't know if that's another block, but let's zoom close. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'll just call it rejection block or portion block, whatever. You see this thing. You see this total soup here, and then you buy to aim this high. And what happens? You get stopped out because obviously your stop loss will be, I think, here or probably here. I don't know any of these two, but then you get stopped out. So to be on the safe side, don't trade this thing. You should just wait for the market to take out the high or the low of that particular daily CRT high. That's what you should wait for. So in this case, we did. Now, I think I've said it in one of my videos, and let me repeat it here. I don't think there is any specific time frame alignment for this CRC, but I will advise you to make use of the time frames I tell you or I've taught you, which is if you're trading the monthly CRT, your entry should be on the daily. If you're trading the weekly, your entry should be on the 4 hour. If you're trading the daily, your entry should be on the 1 hour. If you're trading the 4 hour CRT, your entry should be on the 15 minutes time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame. But you can also drop down to lower time frames. Example, if you're trading the 4 hour time frame, you can drop down to 15 5 minutes. Yes, if you're trading the 4 hour time frame, you can drop down to 15 or 5 minutes time frame. If you're trading it daily, you can drop down to 1 hour 15 minutes time frame. So with everything I've been teaching you, I will leave you to uh I'll leave you to look for the entry here. Maybe 5 minutes, 15 minutes, anything. So as you can see, once you sell from here, two positions or one, anyone, you have to be patient. You have to be very, very patient. I caught this trade, but I think I closed around here. Or I caught this particular one and closed somewhere here. I can't really remember, but I did not trade this whole thing down to this level because I was busy. I've said it in one of my videos and I will say it and I'll keep saying it and I'll repeat it again. Don't, don't, please, don't depend on the market for money. Don't depend on the market for money. Let me just leave it that way. Avoid trading every single day. It's, it's let me say stupid. So most traders we see this thing happen after this whole nonsense and want to buy, you are wrong. Do not do not get deceived by some traders who don't know what they are doing. Learn what I'm teaching and master it, and you'll make a lot of money. I'm not here, I repeat, I'm not here to condemn any strategy. I've said it in one of my videos and I'll say it again. I won't be the type of mentor or trader that will tell you not to trade ICT, not to trade SMC, not to trade any of those support and resistance or making use of those indicators. No. Do what's right for you. If trading with indicators make you money, fine, go for it. If trading ICT makes you money, go for it. If trading SMC makes you money, fine. If CRT works for you, fine. I'm not here to convince you to throw away your strategy or whatever you use to make money to focus on CRT. If you try CRT and it doesn't work for you, then you're not good enough. Go and face any strategy that works for you. Don't condemn any strategy. Don't say because CRT did not work for you, it's trash. No. Don't condemn any strategy. So as you can see, um, from this high to this low, this is also a total soup. So in case you missed all this, you could see this and you could make some money from it. Maybe drop down to 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes for your entry. Now as you can see this up close candle, you can make use of it as your entry. But I used to advise traders from the high to the low of this up close candle, any other up close candle that closed above it, make use of it. Since this particular candle closed above it, sorry, closed above it, you should make use of it as your entry. Once this, maybe not just one candle, three, four, five candles, I've said it before, close below it, you should wait for the next candle or multiple candles to test it before you can sell. Now in this case, you can sell from here, you can sell from this one, or you can sell from this one. Two positions, one position, and maybe one more position. And then you aim for the low of the daily candle. That's all for now on ranges or on range. So now in this case, I think you should be looking for 4 hour CRT candles, or maybe if the daily provides what we are looking for, fine, to hunt this low. Or there could be a retracement before it dumps. I hope you found this insightful. Um, Last thing, I want to thank each and every one of you that have been following my teachings, watching what I teach, liking and commenting. Thank you. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Maybe drop it in the comments. Be safe and stay blessed.